China has just dropped an AI tool that could sing with real emotion, human-like expression, and even body language. Watch this.
The sun sinks low behind the hill. The air turns cold, but I feel the chill. Not from the wind, no, it's you I miss. Every step feels like a mile.
Hey, I'm Mims. If you're a content creator who wants to stay ahead of the game, this is where you belong. I break down the latest AI tools that can take your content creation to the next level. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the tools that could completely transform your business. Imagine this: you upload one picture, add an audio track, and suddenly that photo starts performing the song as if it were alive. Perfect voice, perfect gestures, perfect emotion. It's honestly jaw-dropping. Look at this. Flawless lip sync, flawless natural movements, and a voice so real you'd never guess it wasn't a real human singer standing right in front of you. And here is the twist: this tool is open source. That means anyone can use it for absolutely free. Here are some of the videos generated with this AI tool.
I believe I can fly, break through every disguise, feel the wind, let it play, carry me far, light the way. I'm just singing in the rain, dancing in the rain, spinning like I've gone insane, singing in the rain.
Here is an interesting thing: you can edit the photo itself. In this photo, she has no fire crown on her head. But if a fire crown is added to the video prompts, the output will appear exactly as you wrote. Look at this. And just like that, she's performing with a glowing crown of fire, still perfectly synced with her voice and emotion. Crazy, right? You can switch outfits, background, props, anything, and no matter what you change, your photo keeps singing like a pro. The creative possibilities are endless with this AI tool, guys. It gets even better for content creators. You can record your own audio, upload your avatar photo, add a quick prompt, and this AI will lip sync your voice perfectly, gestures, expressions, everything, just like my avatar on this channel. This AI does the heavy lifting instantly. For creators, this is a complete game changer. This tool is called 1S2V. Just head over to 1.video, scroll down, click on speech to video, and sign up with your Google or email. Once you are in, check in daily to claim 10 free credits. Enough to generate one video per day. And if you want unlimited videos, Just grab it directly from GitHub. All the setup instructions are right there waiting for you. I'll drop the links in the description below. Go test it out for yourself and let me know what you create. Because let's be real, the future of music videos and content creation as a whole just changed forever.